Saw the raindrops in the dolphin story there. Showers and storms caused flooding in some parts today.
It sure did. Ivan, how long will this stormy pattern last?
Yeah, we're going to stay with it here right through the rest of the week. But yeah, it cooled off. Temperatures not hitting 90 degrees this afternoon for the first time since back in August, so that was a bonus here. Next radar network showing plenty of showers and storms down to the south, but you can see just some light rain, and this is the kind of rain and cloud cover that really just puts an end to any thunderstorms that try to redevelop, kind of when you're boiling water, right? If you turn off the heat, everything stops bubbling. That's exactly what's happening here. It's just too cool at this point. Now, where we have had sunshine, the heat continues, and the storms have been able to continue to develop along those boundaries that you see there, those gust fronts that come from the storms. But it's going to basically be very different from what we had yesterday, where we had tons of sunshine. All the storms blew up to our west, and they were able to then march to the east. That's not going to happen for the rest of the evening. I think we're looking pretty good, save for a few showers that will sneak up towards the north. But that would be it. Nothing torrential and nothing we had with frequent lightning here. So I think we're looking good for the rest of the evening. The rest of the week still looks the same. Tropical moisture is bottled up to the south here. We've got a frontal boundary that's stalled to our north, and that puts us in a tropical air mass here that's going to favor daily rounds of showers and thunderstorms, and those will be capable of producing some heavy downpours, kind of what we saw today. So here's the pattern again for tomorrow. We'll have the potential for some of these storms to drop a quick 1 to 2 inches of rainfall, which of course we need. Not that, sure, we didn't have any flash flood warnings, but a couple more flood advisories certainly for tomorrow and possibly for Friday as well, as the thunderstorms will continue to get going. All right, tracking the tropics, the depression number 7, tropical depression number 7. This is the area that we have been watching that was 70% for a potential development. Well, it has developed enough circulation now across the center, but we have ourselves a tropical depression. It's number 7. It continues to see these blow up of thunderstorms, but the center is actually displaced a little bit further to the west. What that means is the system's not quite that well organized yet, so we don't have a tropical storm. I think that is going to be changing as we hit into tonight and into tomorrow. And then, of course, we're 745 miles east of the first land masses here across the northern Windward Islands, and then the storm will track in that direction. So this is regardless of what happens thereafter. It's going to be a big rain event, I think, here. And in fact, tropical storm watches will likely go up as we hit through tonight. Then it'll make its way through the rest of the islands here, including Puerto Rico, with heavy rain for Saturday and Sunday, then hitting Española still as a tropical storm. Now, if you're paying attention earlier, we had the track a little bit further, or National Hurricane Center did, a little bit further to the west. This is now trending a little further north, and that's not to scare us here. I think we're still looking good, but the curve to the north is likely more possible as the system stays further north. That means that it'll intensify and that it'll head in the right direction, which is away from us. So that is what I'm thinking right now. This is looking good for rain for the weekend, and then thereafter the system begins to move up to the north over the next few days. We'll keep you posted if that changes, but right now not a threat right now, I don't think, to South Florida. If anything, we get some moisture out of it if it stays on the weaker side. 70% coverage of rain for tomorrow. Showers and storms will continue in that range for Friday, and it'll a bit down from that, 50% coverage for Saturday and Sunday.